say to your child that when I was your age, I never behaved like this? And have you heard from your child that you won't understand? It's different now. Hello, namaste. Welcome to Mindful Parenting with Dimple. This distance in thinking, values, lifestyle, communication is what we call generational gap. A mother asks her teenager son to sit and talk with the relatives who came home. But the son will reply, "Mom, I'm chatting with my friends online. I'll come later." So the mother will feel that kids these days don't respect family time. But the son will feel that I'm still socializing, just in a different way. Same intention, different generation mindset. So let's understand that why does generational gap happen? World is changing so fast. Technology, education, lifestyle are very different from what we or our parents have experienced. Parenting styles have changed. Earlier it was very strict discipline. Parents ने बोला मतलब पत्थर की लकीर होना ही चाहिए. But now emotional connection is more important. Parents are trying to understand children rather than just instructing them without thinking about their emotions. Children have more exposure, social media, internet, friends, new ideas. So they are growing and developing so fast. But still, parents raise children based on their experiences. And children live in present, reality. Both are right in their own ways. Most of the parents still think कि हमने तो ऐसे कभी नहीं किया, हम तो अपने पेरेंट्स की कितनी रिस्पेक्ट करते थे, उनके सामने तो हम आंख उठा के भी नहीं देखते थे. लेकिन सच में बताइए, आप उनके रिस्पेक्ट के लिए नहीं देखते थे, आप उनसे डरते थे. क्योंकि बहुत बार ऐसा हुआ है कि हम डर के मारे उनसे बात भी नहीं कर सकते थे. तो उसके हिसाब से जो अब हो रहा है, अभी का जो जनरेशन है, वहाँ पे बच्चे एकदम बिंदास पेरेंट्स के साथ बात कर रहे हैं, उनको एज अ फ्रेंड देख के सब एक्सप्रेस कर रहे हैं. तो क्या वो गलत है? हाँ, आई एग्री, समटाइम्स थोड़ा ज्यादा भी हो जाता है. तो यही तो हमें देखना है कि क्या है ये जनरेशन गैप और उसे कैसे समझे. द प्रॉब्लम इज नॉट जस्ट द गैप, द प्रॉब्लम इज लैक ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग एंड कम्युनिकेशन. बिकॉज व्हेन पेरेंट्स विल से दैट यू आर रॉन्ग, ये तुम गलत कर रहे हो, बच्चों को हमेशा यही लगेगा कि यू डोंट अंडरस्टैंड मी, आप हमें समझ ही नहीं रहे हो. एंड व्हेन चिल्ड्रन विल से दैट यू आर ओल्ड फैशन, पेरेंट्स विल फील दैट यू डोंट रिस्पेक्ट मी. दिस क्रिएट्स मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग, एंगर, साइलेंस एंड डिस्टेंस. How can parents bridge the generational gap? So firstly, listen without judging. Sometimes children just want to share, not get lectures. So instead of don't do this, don't do that, अरे तुम ऐसे क्यों नहीं करते, एक काम करो, तुम इसको ये बोल दो. Just try and tell कि yes, tell me more about it. Oh, okay, that's it. उनको बस उतना ही चाहिए कि कोई सुने उनकी बात. Accept change. Every generation is different. Just like our parents found our habits strange once, we may find our children's habits strange today. Change is natural. We just need to accept it. जो हमने पहले किया है, जैसे हम पहले रहे हैं, जरूरी नहीं कि हमारे बच्चे वही फॉलो करेंगे. क्योंकि क्या आपने जो आपके पेरेंट्स ने किया है 100% वही फॉलो किया है? Share our values calmly, not by forcing, but by explaining. Give them examples or tell stories. In our times, we believed in hard work because so and so. Because stories connect better than scolding. उनको आप डांट के सिर्फ बोलते रहोगे कि अरे हमने कभी ऐसे नहीं किया, हम तो हमारे ज़माने में ये करते थे, we used to do that in this way, उन्हें मज़ा नहीं आएगा. They will get bored. वो तो यही सोचेंगे कि हाँ ठीक है, आपने किया तो ज़रूरी नहीं कि हम भी करें. बट इंस्टेड अगर आप उनको स्टोरी बोल के एक्सप्लेन करने की कोशिश करेंगे और फिर उसके रूट तक पहुंचेंगे तो दे विल अंडरस्टैंड दिस. स्पेंड क्वालिटी टाइम, इवन 15 minutes डेली, टॉकिंग, प्लेइंग, walking together. this builds strong bonding. See, generation gap doesn't mean children are becoming bad. It means that times are changing and children are growing in a new world. And our job is not to just control them, but to guide them with love and understanding. So don't try to raise children exactly like you were raised. Raise them for the new world they are living in. Let me share a personal story. I had been wanting to start this YouTube channel for a long time. I had the idea, the passion, the content in mind, but honestly, I wasn't very comfortable with technology. So one day I asked my daughter to help me. She was very excited at first and started guiding me step by step. But soon said that, Mom, it's easier if I just do it for you. You focus on creating content. That's what you're best at. Her words really touched me. At that moment, I realized something very important, that it's okay to ask for help. We don't have to be perfect at everything. Every generation has its own strengths. I had experience, I have idea, but she had technological knowledge, the skill, the confidence with technology. So together, we made it work. The generation gap is not a weakness, it's an opportunity to learn from each other. When we allow our children to guide us sometimes, we build respect, trust and stronger bondings. It's okay to get the help from each other. अगर कभी हमें ज़रूरत पड़ी तो हम अपने बच्चों से हेल्प ले सकते हैं, बिकॉज आज के जनरेशन में, इस टेक्नोलॉजिकल वर्ल्ड में ऐसी बहुत सी चीज़ें आएंगी जो हमें नहीं आती. तो जो उन्हें आता है या जिसमें वो अच्छे हैं, उनसे हेल्प लेनी चाहिए. Situation of the session is, a father tells his teenager son to choose a safe and stable career like engineering or government job. The son replies confidently that, Dad, I want to become a YouTuber and digital creator. Now, how should the father react? क्या सोचेंगे, क्या बोलेंगे? आप अगर इस सिचुएशन में होते तो क्या करते? See, here the anger is not just about the drawing. The child may be feeling hurt because her hard work was spoiled. Jealous of attention given to the younger sibling कि मम्मा ने उसे तो कुछ भी नहीं बोला, or frustrated that no one understands the feelings. So she doesn't know how to say that I'm hurt or I'm sad, and it comes out as anger. So instead of shouting that stop crying, इसमें क्या इतना react करने का है, just try this calmly कि I can see you are very upset, or you work hard on your drawing, it hurts when it gets spoiled. So teach them expression, not reaction. You can just gently guide them कि next time tell me that you are upset instead of shouting, because this will build emotional control. उन्हें नहीं पता है कि वो क्या कर रहे हैं उस वक्त. आपको उन्हें गाइड करना है, उनको ये रियलाइज करवाना है कि वो क्या कर सकते थे और उन्होंने क्या किया. So avoid comparing or blaming. You always fight with your brother or sister. You are too sensitive. This increases anger. आपको उनको ये उस वक्त ये नहीं बोलना है कि आप ऐसे ही हो, आप हमेशा ऐसे ही करते हो. उन्हें पहले शांत करिए, फिर उनसे बात करिए. You can offer a solution together. Like, let's fix this drawing or make a new one together. We can ask your brother or sister to be careful next time. So this will teach problem solving. Anger is not bad behavior. It's a child asking for help with big emotions. So when mother responds with understanding, patience and guidance, children slowly learn to manage anger in a healthy way. It's easy to resolve these issues if we accept that we need to evolve as parents too. We can't control every moment. So let's relax and respect boundaries. As we navigate this new world, sometimes we need our children to guide us. When parents and children try to understand each other, anger reduces, trust increases, and relationship become stronger. Generation gap can become a bridge of learning instead of wall of conflict. So get ready to train your brains, as every child deserves an aware parent. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and share this with more and more parents. Thank you so much.